My name is Bob Ellis. I'm the Aras Training Manager. During the conference, we also have three other topics we're going to cover. We have something called extended classification, which is a new feature in Aras that I think a lot of people are excited about. It's the ability to create properties that you can share across item types. One of the big features people have been looking for is the ability to do security at a property level. So it's a very granular way to attack security. We're going to run one of those sessions. We have a session on our MPP application, which is manufacturing process planning, how to do EBOM, MBOM reconciliation, how do you create plans against that, how do we generate work instructions. So again, a hands-on seminar for that. And then finally, a lot of our folks out there are using Microsoft Office, and we've beefed up the visual collaboration part of that, so it makes it really easy to share information while you're in Word to collaborate with your other users. So those will be the other sessions we'll offer during the whole conference.